Creative leaders see opportunity to solve problems and imagine a world that others don't. The top 52 creative leaders. Innovation, vision, progressiveness, originality, and resourcefulness are all characteristics of successful creative leaders. Creativity was ranked the most important leadership quality for success in business. This is why here at Skilltivity, we have compiled and curated the top 52 creative leaders today. Coming in at number 43 is Nas. You guys know him for the breakthrough landmark album Illmatic. He's on this list for not just his creative pursuits in music, but for quietly building an investment portfolio and for being Illmatic.
Yeah, we have a firm, Queensbridge Venture Partners, named after my neighborhood.
Right.
And we take meetings, we take pitch meetings.
And are most of the ideas pretty good, or are there terrible ideas that you get?
No, they're mostly good.
Nas is part of a company by the name of Queensbridge Venture Partners, and they invest in startup companies. And on the website Angel, you see Nas as one of the founders of that company. And then you see their portfolio and you see that they're an investor in Ring. So it's clear that Nas is part of a company that invested in this company that got bought out for $1.2 billion, but we don't know the exact numbers of how much money he got, how much he was invested in that company.
Most hip-hop artists are not going to invest their time into it. Like, so when you asked earlier, is this a thing for hip-hop artists, a new thing to get into? I think it can be. But most, I don't think people in music, we're having fun, we're on the road, we're making music, we're doing videos or whatever. The more fun things are the normal, the sneaker deals and stuff like that. Right. This is a different twist, so you might not see too many running into it, but I think more should.
So hope you enjoyed that interview with Nas, and hey, he's really influential, not just hip hop, but also, like I said, in the tech space, in investing. Thank you for the inspiration at number 43 on the top 52 creative leaders. Thank you for watching Skilltivity's top 52 creative leaders. And as you follow our curated list, I provided a resource for you, and it's to help you develop your own creative leadership skills. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Creative Leadership Success, and you can get it for free by clicking on the link below in the description of this video. Also, please subscribe to Skilltivity. We got videos coming, and you want to make sure to follow us as we keep going on this journey. Hit the bell to get notifications of new videos that come. Just know that Skilltivity, we're here to help you move forward in advancing your creative skills. We're always aiming for that. So from me to you, from Carrington to you, see you soon.